To use Apple Pay on Amazon, you will need to have an Apple device such as an iPhone or iPad, and an Amazon account. First, make sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Next, open the Wallet app on your device and add a credit or debit card by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner. Follow the prompts to enter your card details and verify your card with your bank. Once your card is added, sign in to your Amazon account on your device. Go to the Amazon app or website and navigate to the Payment Options section. Tap or click on Add a Payment Method and select Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card details, but this time do not enter the actual card number. Instead, select the option to use a secure token. This will link your Apple Pay wallet to your Amazon account. After linking your Apple Pay wallet, you can use it to make purchases on Amazon. When you are ready to check out, select Apple Pay as your payment method. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once you have authenticated the transaction, the purchase will be processed and you will receive a confirmation from Amazon. It is also important to note that you can use Apple Pay on Amazon for both one-time purchases and for setting up recurring payments such as subscriptions. To manage your Apple Pay wallet on Amazon, go to the Payment Options section and select Manage Payment Methods. From here you can add or remove cards, update your billing address, and view your transaction history. Using Apple Pay on Amazon provides an additional layer of security and convenience, as you do not have to enter your actual card details when making a purchase. It is also a fast and easy way to check out, making it a great option for those who value convenience and security when shopping online.